sounds.
Hey guys, and this is episode 3, I think, to the batch coding tutorial. So let's just get straight into it. Last time we created this handy little batch file that tells you how many total toppings you have. It isn't really that useful yet because you have to go into the code and change how many toppings you have. Wouldn't it be a lot easier if you could just take user input? Well, today I'm showing you how. So, I'm gonna first quickly change the title to topping counter. And now when you run the batch file, you can see it now has this new name, topping counter. So, let's get to the real stuff. The way you would do that is say, get rid of this because you don't want to set it to a default value. You want to say octopus instead of second. There, that's what you want. And basically, what this /p means is it's waiting for input. In fact, you can, if you want to know a lot about it, you can go set /, and here's the, should be somewhere here. Here's the /p switch allows you to set the value of a variable to the line of input entered by the user. So that's what we want. And now we can try this. And it prompts us. So we say we have 2 of that and 1 of that, and total toppings 3. So if we close that, then it's kind of a bit difficult to tell what they're asking for. So if you say pepper, how do you spell that? I think that's it. And then you just say here over there cheese. Then when you go back into the file, we have 5 pieces of pepperoni, 2 pieces of cheese, 7 toppings. So that's a handy little calculator, and if you want, you could turn this into an actual calculator. And this would be input 1, and that would be input 2, and then this, we just replace those variables and replace that with answer or something. But it's a decent little calculator for now. So I'm just gonna go through a couple more demonstrations of the uses of user input. So if we say, I don't know, like this. We're creating a game, so we just call this, I don't know, game. Super original name, by the way. And we say, welcome, new player. And we'll say, what is your name? Oops, what is your name? And then we can say, set name to. You could either say enter, like that, or you could replace that with name. And then here you would just say, you might want to close the screen, I don't know. So your name is, and then you use that variable, name. And then you pause, and then it would just go on to some part that you can use, and then, oh, it's actually got a weird thing in its name. We fixed that, yay. So, welcome new player, what is your name? And you can say, my name is, Woo-Wink. So your name is Woo-Wink, and then you can move on to another part of the game. And that is another use of user input. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Like, thumbs up, subscribe if you would feel like it for more videos about coding.